Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, me and my Beagle Benzie Talks. Today I am going to share you the important thing of my life happened, that is I got Beagle puppy which is named as a Benzie. This is the dream of ours from many years. So this has happened this year. We got the Benzie. We are very happy and it's enjoying. Now it is 2 months old. When we bought it, it is 36 days, almost 1 month over 36 days baby. See, these are the pictures I'm uploading here. Some of those pictures, it is very cute in this picture. This is the first day we bought it. At the first minute of the picture it is sleeping with its tiny foot and hands. It is sleeping like this. It's very cute and very soft. It's very warmth feeling when I was taken into my hands. It is watching at me. It's so lovely feeling. I cannot explain how soft it is and how cute it is. It's actually, we thought it will fear for many days, but it's normal. It's just taken 15 to 20 minutes, that's it. It became normal and it is roaming everywhere in home. And little bit it is at the time of sleeping, it little bit nervous, but remaining time it is very soft, calm, and it is very close to everyone in the home. And me and my husband will live in my home and we both are enjoying with it. This is the sleeping time, the first sleep of my Benzie. See, it is sleeping on me in soft towel. It is sleeping on me. It's always like to hug human beings because it is the nature of puppies. I think it's missing its mother, no, so that's why. This is the next day picture. It is playing with my husband. He loves a lot. He loves a lot, and Benzie also loves a lot. By the way, the Benzie is a male dog. How cute it is! It likes to play with you. It likes to play a lot with human beings, and always it needs your attention. And this is the sleeping time. It's get tiny sleeps in between. It will give a lot of naps in between while eating food, and immediately it is going to sleep. And it won't sleep on bed or anywhere. It is always will sleep with us only. See, this is sleeping with me only on my skirt. It is sleeping on my lap. This is with my husband. It is playing in the afternoon after its lunch. It is very energetic and is playing, and it is giving some cute sounds. I was unable to record those sounds at the time. It is giving some sounds and noise. See how habituated it is. It is going here and where. This is the night time. It is sleeping with me only on my bed. And next we got some bed for it. See, this is the day, and it is just playing on the bed but not sleep. These are the picture. I hope all of you enjoyed with my experience, and I love to share with this. So I hope all of you loved it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll upload the videos. And you can enjoy those videos. If you like, give me one like, and I hope you love this. I'm just sharing my feeling, that's it, nothing is. Thanks for watching everyone. Meet you in the next video, definitely with some fun